Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time, I just want to welcome you on this channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And for those of you guys who are subscribing or who subscribed, I just want to thank you so much for your support. So guys, today I just want to share with you one website that I started with when I started to work online or to do this online freelancing jobs or to do this online gigs. So this is the first website that accepted me, and I'm sharing it today with you today because I know guys, around this time that's when they are hiring and they have a lot of jobs basically. So I started to work with this website or on this platform, I think back in 2021, but I think I worked with them for almost a year, and then thereafter I stopped working with them. The reason was actually I got busy, so I was not able to do whatever I was doing and also focus on the jobs that they were maybe to be on the platform, to be active on the platform. So I was not able to do that. So I'm gonna share it with you guys. I'm gonna tell you how it works and how you can make money on this platform. So the name of the platform, guys, is Livingston Research. Basically, Livingston Research actually is a platform where you work as a freelancer to help students to complete their assignments, or maybe you complete students' assignments on the platform, and they cover a lot of subjects from the Bible to IT and business studies, just a lot of them. So if you are good in any subject, actually I think you can take that opportunity to monetize that knowledge by helping other students to complete the assignment, or maybe complete the assignments for the students for you to be paid. This is how it works. Students, they submit their assignments to Livingston, and then they pay the company, and the company actually will just post those assignments on their platform, and they even show how much you will earn if you complete that assignment, and they post them or the jobs there or the assignments there for the freelancers to complete them. And when you completed the assignment, you submit it back to the platform, and then it will go back to the student. So one tip that I can give you, one tip that I can give you guys is make sure that you do the quality job. Don't just do the job for the sake of doing it, because that will affect your rating. So this is what is happening. So you do the job. After doing the job, you send it back you send it back on the platform, and then if the student is happy with the job, actually will give you a good rating. But if it's not happy with the job, they will give you a bad rating. So one other thing, make sure that you don't copy, guys. Don't plagiarize. Make sure that there are no similarities in your job when you do it, because that is gonna affect your rating. Also, you even get the warning, because the warnings, guys, to clear them you have to complete 10 orders for you to clear the warnings. So it's good that it's best actually to do your job, to provide a quality job. Every time when you do it as if it's your job actually, or maybe it's your assignment. Go out of your way and do it, because when you get the good rating, guys, you get more bonuses, and then that's actually help you to make more money on the platform. So it will be good for you to do that. So avoid to submit late. Just submit within the time. Avoid doing actually plagiarizing, copying and pasting and then submitting. Make sure that the work is well done. So how do you apply to be a freelancer or maybe to be a writer on this platform? So you go to livingstonresearch.com, and then you go and you'll see the button apply here, and then you click there, and then you fill in your details. You sign up basically, and then fill in your details, and then when you're done, actually you will have to take a language test. That's an English test. It's very simple, guys. It's not difficult. You can make it if you take it. So it's not difficult. And then after that test, you are going to take another test actually, which is related to the subject that you chose, that you said maybe you're good at. So you'll take those tests. So those tests also, they're not difficult, because it's like an assignment. Basically, you're given days, they give you the question, and then you go and work on it, and then come back and then submit it. And the nice part about that actually is that you're gonna get paid for that, to do that. And when you pass all those tests, you get to start to work on the platform. And guys, around this time is the good time actually, because I think around this time they have a lot of work. I remember when I started in 2021, I think I registered on the platform in January, and I took all the tests in January. They told me like I can only start in March because that's when they have a lot of work. So I think in Feb I never done anything. I only started I think the first week of March to work on the platform because they had a lot of orders. So I got an email that was notifying me that I can just start to work on the platform. So I started to work around March. So I believe even this year is still the same. So if you're looking for that opportunity, this is the right time for you to apply. So they say that actually they pay on their website, guys. They're saying they pay the average pay. The average pay is $800 per month, you know. But me, guys, when I was on that platform, I never made $800. You know, I never made $800. I made less than $800. I think the highest pay I made on that platform was around maybe over $400, around $500. That's the highest pay that I made. But it doesn't mean if I did $400 you cannot make $800. You can make $800. But remember one thing that I told you: make sure that your job or the assignments, or you give the quality job every time. Do it as if you're doing your work, because the more you get the ratings, guys, you get the bonuses. Because that's one other thing that was helping me to make that money, because I was getting good rating and then I would be given the bonuses, you know. So make sure that you do your work in a good way, produce the quality work, and then you'll have the good reviews, and you'll be trusted to work on the bigger projects that can pay you better. So yeah, so this is the right time, guys, to take this opportunity to apply the platform and start making money. So how do they pay? So now I think now when I check on the platform, they showed that they pay via Payoneer, Skrill, and wire transfer. Back in days when I was still on the platform, they used to pay me via PayPal. So I never seen PayPal now on their website, meaning that for you to work on this platform, you need to have a Payoneer, Skrill, or they will do the wire transfer. Yeah, so guys, this is a good opportunity. Please grab it. Go and apply and start to work on the platform and make money. And this cannot be the only side hustle that you'll do. Also, there will be other side hustles that you can just apply on, like the online side hustles, for you to make money. But this one, I know this was the first one that I started with when I started to do the online gigs, to the freelancing jobs. I started here, guys. So I believe even you, if you're starting, you can also start here. Help people with their assignments. Even if maybe you don't know anything like the Bible, I know you might know the Bible. You can help someone with the Bible. There are a lot of assignments actually that were related to the Bible. So yeah, you can also help someone with the assignments. So yeah, and I would like to say, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you found value on the content that I shared. And remember, please go and take action. What will always separate you from the rest is taking action. So after watching this, go to the website and start applying right now, and leave the comments if maybe you find something. Let me hear from you. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video, but please don't forget to like, and don't forget to share this information with someone. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because when you share, guys, you know that you might be helping someone. There might be someone out there who's still looking for the opportunities, and then you are here and then you manage to see this video, and you can just share it with that person and help the person to see this information, and then start, maybe even him or her will be interested and start to apply to the company. So thank you so much, guys. I'm sorry, guys, there's a sound outside. There's a lightning, so it's rainy, so you might be hearing the the sound. So thank you so much. Up until I meet you again, guys, on the next video. Bye. So saying, guys, I just want to say bye bye.